Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are gonna review about our test last week. And first of all, my name is Fadida Rosana.
My name is Faina Zuratul Rohmah.
And let's begin. Number 1. Ever since Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler blah 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 the automobile back in 1886, automotive design has continued to inspire us. The answer is invented because in first sentences is have a past simple tense mention the in 1886 in the past simple tense, so it must use verb to. Number 2, blah 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 cars built in the US for more than 15 years. The correct answer is we have been selling because it used present perfect tense. Have been plus verb ing for fill the blank of the sentences because to describe that sales activity still continue until now. Number 3 is the proposal blah 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 discussed when I called the office this morning. The correct answer is A, was being. It used past continuous passive tense, mention was being discussed for describe that activity is still takes place at a certain time. Number 4, Alan blah 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 all his money when we got to the casino. He didn't even say hi to us. The correct answer is D, must have last, because it used modal perfect it to express certainly in the past. Number 5 is giraffe survives in part because it blah 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 the vegetation in the high branches of trees where other animals have not grazed. The answer is can reach because it used modal verb to express one's of ability.
Next is number 6. From 1926 until her death, Margaret met blah 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 New York's American Museum of Natural History. The correct answer is A, was associated with because it used past simple tense, which is to be plus verb to describe activities in the past. Number 7, if more than $5,000 in monetary instruments is transported into the United States, a report needs blah 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 with the customs office. The answer is D, because it used passive infinitive to express the obligations. Number 8, lobbyists who represent special interest group get blah 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 that benefits their groups. The correct answer is A, Congress to pass the legislation, because it used infinitive phrase to state a goal or desired result. Number 9. Number 9. Instead of buying a new bicycle, why don't you have your old one? The correct answer is C, fixed, because it has past participle, because in past participle must have verb to, that is to indicate a complete action. Number 10, it is essential that C blah 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 at the meeting. The correct answer is A, B, because mention B is the basic form of the verb.
Next is written expression. Number 1, in several of his paintings, Edward Hicks depicted the Quaker farm in Pennsylvania where he spends his youth. The answer is spends. Spend must be spent. it used past tense, so the verb of spend must be verb to is spent. Number 2 is Florida has become the 27th state in the United States on March 1845. The answer is has become. Has become must became. It must use simple past tense because mentioned on March 1845, and it must use became in simple past. Number 3, the best way to eliminate a pest is to controlling the food accessible to it. The answer is to controlling. To controlling must be to control. To control, it is used to indicate intent or purpose. Then to controlling, it used for ongoing activity. So in this context, is to indicate a purpose. Number 4 is mumps are a very common disease which usually affect children. The answer is R. R must be is. Mention mumps is singular noun, so the verb to match the singular noun is. Number 5. About half of the children in America must to grow up in single parents' homes. The answer is to grow. Grow must be grow because after modal verb it use basic tense without to. So the correct answer is grow.
Next, number 6. The vague and misleading instructions could be interpreted in two entirely opposite ways. The answer is A. Been. The correct answer it should be could have been because it used past perfect tense, so the correct modal is could have been. Modal verb like could must follow have and verb 3. Number 7. In order to receive full reimbursement for jewelry that might be stolen, the owner must get all pieces appraised. The answer is D. Appraised. And the correct answer should be appraised because in this context is passive, so it used past participle, which is verb 3 is appraised to complete the sentence. Number 8. I suggest that he goes to the doctor as soon as he returns from taking the exam. The answer is A. Goes, which is the correct answer is should be go. Because the sentence is suggestion. After verb suggestion, it's follow basic per infinitive, so it must go. 9. The require everyone wrote a letter to the governor. Answer is B. And the correct answer should be right because it use a simple tense must have verb 1. So the correct answer is right. Number 10. The teacher got everyone wrote a story about a special childhood experience. The correct answer it should be right because after verb got that mean need someone to do something. The next verb must have or pair infinitive, so that is 2 right. The correct answer is 2 right.
Okay, that is review about our
Segment
test in
last week.
So thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.